Alright, so I'm gonna get to work on tearing down this 5.3. Take the seatbelts off. Let's see here. Intake, manifolds. Probably hold off on the front accessories. I don't have impact gun strong enough to take the clutch fan off yet. And I know there's other ways to take the clutch fan off, but I'm gonna buy big Milwaukee anyways. Might as well just wait. So I'm gonna dig right in. All right. Still a lot of gas in there. Yikes. Mess to clean up now. Alright, I'm gonna switch over cameras right now. Nope. Now. Alright. So got a lot of this torn off here. This is obviously pretty full of gas. I really want to get these valve covers off and take a look, See what kind of shape it is. You know, this one, I might as well just do this one right now because this one's pretty easy to get at. Nope. Yup. Dude, I love this thing. Alright, and I can't do this one-handed, so... Alright. Moment of truth. Ooh, this is not looking good. Oh no. It's a little dirty in there, I'm not sure. This must have fell off of up here. Yeah, it's a little gunky. Probably I'll have to get these rebuilt. Honestly, they're 862 aluminum heads. I don't know if I'm gonna rebuild them. Might just see if I can buy some new heads off of Craigslist. Already ready to go. Or I'll just try running these and see if they work. All right. Had some camera difficulties. I'm gonna have to figure out a new camera setup. Just using my DSLR, and that's timing out and stuff. I don't know what's going on. Looks like I forgot one line on here. I think it's just a vacuum line. I think my pliers is in my truck. I guess vice grip is. Oh, come on, dude. This is impossible to get in here with a vice grip. New idea. Just cut the line. I ain't putting a truck intake back on this and putting all new tubes on anyways. Boom. Look at this, boys. Switching video now. That's pretty gummed up, man. I don't know what the mileage is on this thing. Okay. Honestly, I think it could be worse. Okay. Could be worse, could be worse. Well, I think I'm gonna wrap it up for today. I got some other stuff to do today, but it's pretty stripped down here. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm gonna have to buy a different. Here, I'm gonna switch cameras. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to buy a different engine stand for this, because this even goes side to side, like down here. It is scary. But I'm gonna get the ones that bolt on to the engine mount to sit on the floor. I mean, gonna have to do that. I mean, so I'm gonna do that. Then I can really get the leverage on and getting off the front accessories here. I know those are gonna be a pain. I mean, this, I see some carbon buildup here, but honestly, it spins freely, so don't think the next video we'll get to see what it looks like under here, but okay, this is like popped out. I don't think that's for me, but let's see. Well, next video, let's see here. Those engine. Yeah, Mike's next video might be a week or so, I guess. Because I gotta wait for that to come in the mail. I gotta buy an adapter for my breaker bar, because I don't know what the heck I did with it. And yeah, I think it's gonna be a couple of weeks. Next weekend though, I might be working on a buddy's car, so I'll throw that up on YouTube. Take a video of that. Still haven't decided on when I'm gonna do YouTube videos, but